Hi Stampers, this is Dawn and today we're going to make my January thank you notes. Aren't they cute? We're using the brand new designer paper called All My Love and it's in the Occasions catalog which starts today. This is the brand new Occasions catalog. It runs from January 3rd until June 3rd, 2019. So this is the designer paper that we're using for my January thank you notes. It's on page 5 and it's All My Love and you get all these papers. They're so yummy. Oh my gosh. Okay, and then we're also using a Sale-a-Bration item. Let me show you that. This is the Sale-a-Bration Mini and this also starts today, January 3rd. And you can pick the Hello Cupcake stamp set for free. For every $50, you get to pick something from this catalog. And there are 13 items that are available of your choice. Of course, there's the beautiful organdy ribbon. And of course, the beautiful botanical butterfly designer paper. So there's so many items. If you need this catalog or the Occasions catalog, please contact me and I will love to send you a catalog. So the greeting for my thank you notes is right here, sprinkled with love, and it's from the Hello Cupcake. And you can't purchase these, you can only earn them for free. Okay, so we're using the crumb cake cardstock, the balmy blue, flirty flamingo, and then the lovely lipstick. Aren't they cute? All right, so let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so here are the measurements. I wrote them on this piece of cardstock here. So the Whisper White is cut at 2 3/4 by 8 1/2, and then you're gonna score it at 4 1/4. It's gonna make your base. Then the brand new color, the balmy blue, which I love. This is cut at 2 1/2 by 4. Then another piece of Whisper White, which is cut at 2 1/4 by 3 3/4. And then a piece of the All My Love designer paper. It does have the balmy blue in there. That's why I picked this color to go with the cardstock. This piece is cut at 2 by 3 1/2. Okay, and those are all gonna layer together. Okay, so let's go ahead and do that. Okay, now we're going to do some stamping. Bring in some Whisper White. And here is the Sprinkled with Love. This is the Hello Cupcake, and this is a photopolymer stamp set. You'll notice in this year's Occasions catalog, all the stamp sets are either photopolymer or the brand new cling mount stamps. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and use this greeting with the Memento ink. Grab that. Onto the Whisper White. I'm going to take the 1 3/4 circle punch, punch that out, fits in there perfectly. Then we're going to take the 2-inch circle punch, punch out the balmy blue, and then we're going to go ahead and layer these together. I'm using Snail. Okay, and we're going to layer this right onto the front of the card. Isn't that cute? Okay, so one thing also with the Snail adhesive, I know I put the refill and maybe that doesn't make sense to a lot of you, so I want to explain. This is how the Snail comes when you purchase it from Stampin' Up. And you'll open this up, but this container is refillable. So once you use all your adhesive, you're going to remove your adhesive part of the refill applicator. And you can just throw this away when it's empty. I'm going to actually put this back on, but I'm going to show you how to add your refill. So then this is also the refill for your applicator. So you'll notice that you don't get the whole case. So you can buy the applicator and then you just buy refills for your cartridge. Okay, so then you just open your refill up. So inside you'll have this little protective to keep the roller from moving around, and you'll remove that and then you'll just click this into your applicator or your cartridge and then you're ready to go. So that's your Snail. Okay, all right, so let me show you the other thank you notes. So here's the crumb cake, the flirty flamingo, and then the lovely lipstick. So for January, I wanted to use the designer paper because the designer paper is so beautiful. And once again, the Occasions catalog really doesn't showcase the designer paper to its full extent as far as I'm concerned. So getting an up close look at the designer paper is so much better than even looking at the catalog. So this way, my thank you notes for January, you're getting a little sample of the All My Love designer paper pack. Okay. Okay, so if you have any questions, just let me know. I hope you love January's thank you notes. I'll have all the items listed below. And then don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel so you don't miss any future videos. Okay, thanks for stopping by. We'll see you later. Bye.